Hi, this is an explanation for week 8. Week 8's topic is classroom diversity. You're going to read the book Classroom Diversity before you start the activities this week. And there are two activities that are related to the book. The first activity is called Closing the Achievement Gap. Once you have read the book Classroom Diversity, select one of the chapters. Referring to the questions on page 2 of the book, in paragraph 1 and 2, create a reflection of one of the chapters and reflect on how the teachers in this chapter worked to close the achievement gap. You have to provide at least 4 ideas that you've determined which might contribute to closing the achievement gap. Use the internet to find resources that provide evidence for your ideas of what the teacher might have done to close the achievement gap in your mind. This may not have been intentional on the teacher's part, but you feel her plans and actions moved in the direction of closing the achievement gap and helping these students, minority and at-risk population, be successful. You just cite your internet source. You may copy and paste what you determine from the internet source to be supportive of your reflection. Just include the citation and link your Word document or your Google Doc to your Classroom Diversity Wiki. If you use a Google Doc, you must invite me to be able to view that or to edit it, which I won't do, but you do need to put down my Laverne email address so that I can actually see your Google Doc. Then you are to comment on 2 of your colleagues' postings. So you're going to put that in your response in the Classroom Diversity Wiki, and then you're going to look for 2 of your colleagues' postings and comment on that. Hopefully a little bit different than your own, and maybe find a colleague that hasn't had a comment yet. The second activity is called Connections Through the Chapters. So you're going to select 3 of the chapters, and you're going to explain the social culture approach. That's page 2, paragraph 3. That's a social culture approach, page 2, paragraph 3, that you feel was used in each chapter you selected. What other connections do you see between the 3 chapters you chose? Add your thoughts to your Classroom Diversity Wiki. This is the wiki you're going to put your work in this week. And last but not least, I'd like you to complete the mid-semester course evaluation. This is an evaluation that helps me see what I still need to do to help make the course be successful for you, and see if it is being successful for you in the way it has been organized and the way that I have led it. This is an anonymous survey. I do not know that it's you responding. I do not know that it is that you have what you have written. I just know as I get an aggregated result of the information that is in the survey. I will know if you haven't completed the evaluation, but I do not know which one is yours. I just have a listing of names, and once you have completed it, your name goes off the list, so that anyone who's left on the list are the people who have not completed the course yet. And last but not least, don't forget your movie review assignment. It's not due this week, it's due week 9. So take a look at that, and you can click on this folder and it'll take you right to the movie review page. And that's a little bit different than the book trailer. And that's week 8. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Otherwise, I'll see you online.